In this video, we will be showing you how to roll your budget book forward to the next budget year. The very first step we're going to do is back up your report. We click on the three dots, the top level report folder, click on report operations, then create backup. We assign a workflow to this backup and then click OK. This process can take 20 to 30 minutes. So if you're using this video to roll forward, please pause this video until your backup is completed as stated in the notification center. Having backed up your report, the next thing we're going to do is create a period for this report in the MDFM. We click on Data in the blue ribbon of Gravity, Multidimensional Financial Model, and we enter Administration. Here, go to Dimensions, and go to your period template. What we're going to want to do is click here in the Add Row button in the top right-hand corner and add your new period and a period code in each line. Clicking on Save here. Click No. If you want to adjust where the period falls, you can click and drag the 2028 that we've just created up here. The next thing we're going to do is mark the next fiscal year end using Gravity. To do so, we're going to go to the gear icon in the top right-hand corner, click on Dimensions. Here in Period, we're going to click on this Add Member plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner. In this menu, click on the calendar icon and select the next year that you are rolling forward to. In this case, it was 2027, June 30, and click on Save. This will add this fiscal period into Gravity. Once we've done that, we can close this menu. Once we've completed this, we're going to either want to upload new data using Data Integration Services, Data Integration Services, or the budgeting templates. This may require you to roll forward your budgeting templates to create data. There are other resources available to help guide you through rolling forward your budgeting templates. Once we have uploaded new data to your Gravity environment, either using Data Integration Services or the budgeting templates, we can continue rolling our report forward. Having uploaded new data, we want to refresh the data set so that all of our new data gets imported into our budget book. To do so, we navigate back to the MDFM, click on Administration, Datasets, open up your budget book folder, and click on the refresh buttons beside each type of data that you bring into your budget book. Once this has been complete, you can now roll forward the MDFM. We can go to the Roll Forward menu in the Administration panel. Select your hypercube that will say Budget Book, click on Validate, click Next, and select the proper year that we're moving from to the year that we're moving to, and then click on Execute. This will roll the budget book forward to this period. Once we've rolled forward the hypercubes inside of the MDFM, you can modify any pivot views that you want to add to your report this year. Having made any changes to your pivot views inside of the MDFM, we can now move on to the next step, which is updating the period template. Period template will be found inside of your budget book in the Administration folder, either Period Templates or Periods Report. Double-click on the spreadsheet and enter in the new year that you're rolling to. Once we've done that, click on the three lines beside the Period Template and click on Submit. Having updated our Periods Report, we're going to click on the three dots beside the top-level Report folder, click on Data, then Refresh MDFM Imports. Additionally, after we've refreshed our MDFM imports, click on the three dots again in the top-level report folder, click on Data, then click on Refresh Data Store Queries. Once this is populated, click on the top-level checkbox to select all the queries and click OK. Once we have completed that, we click on Data and then Refresh Variables. After we've refreshed our MDFM imports, the data queries, and the variables, we can begin to roll our report forward. To do so, click on the three dots in the top level folder, click on Report Operations, and then click Roll Forward. We select the fiscal year that we're going to move forward to, click Next in Eclipse Periods. We select the periods to which we are rolling to, Next. Repeat the last step if you have any data set tables. Click Next. Once we are here, click on Finish, and now your budget book will be rolled forward to the next fiscal year. Now you have all the knowledge you need to make sure your budget book rolls forward every single year correctly ensuring continued success with Gravity.